that a what? No, I'm not. No secrets here, mate. Peter, it's dinner time. Come on. Look, everybody, Peter's back.
I'm back and I'm alive. Peter had a bit of a rough trip. You know, work trip didn't end up being too much work, did it, Pete? You got Jack Jones, ended up in hospital. I got dinner here.
Too committed. Look at him go.
First day back and he's straight into it. Hey, what a good egg. It's almost midnight too. Nah, it's almost 8, I think.
Pete's doing some crazy good work with the ECU mounting, PDM mounting,
And E888 mounting.
and he's drilling holes into the freshly painted engine bay.
So satisfying.
Oh, it's not coming through this side.
No.
Alright, dinner's here.
Oh, he's even got his own drill bits.
We'll show him the race diet.
Voila! Garlic bread, keep germs away. Ooh! That would be mine. And that one would be Peter's. Sorry, brother?
Okay guys, so this is going to give me a decent opportunity to go through every single piece that's getting put into this car. I'm still going to miss a lot because of the time frame we have. Literally running out so fast. There's like 2 weeks left. And
This is the state of the car. Like, yeah, it's painted, I'm putting things back together,
but as I'm putting them back together, I'm modifying them again, making them better, and just being a little bit too fussy, especially with the time frame we have. So anyway,
simple brackets like these that you probably don't even need in the back of this car because it's caged. Realistically, you don't.
anyway, I'm out the back painting them, making them look pretty.
Anyway, redoing covers. I didn't like the old one, so I redid that one. This is a Raceworks universal battery box, or battery clamp I should say. So that bad boy is locked in now. I had to make new uprights to suit the battery I'm using. I think it's a full river, the one I'm using. Here is going to be the fuel pump module controller that's going to mount on there. All the Raceworks bulkhead fittings, so NOS, backup NOS, 2 fuel lines, and I don't know why I pointed at that, but anyway, this bracket here is to hold the dry sump tank,
which I'm going to go clean in a minute. But while I'm literally waiting for paint to dry, because I had to repaint some spots on the fuel tank I didn't like, I'm going to go see Peter. So Peter's in the wiring room next door, and I want to give you guys a rundown on how freaking insane his, well, I should say, Powertune's wiring work as a whole, because it is freaking impressive. So anyway, let's go annoy him.
Hey buddy.
Hey man.
I come to annoy you. I'm literally waiting for paint to dry. So, I come to ask you, yeah, with the camera, because the audience want to know this more than I do, because I sort of already know it. Actually, no, it's a lie. I don't. How full on is this job that you're doing right now? So this is obviously a full body loom, full engine loom. Give us a rundown on, let's say, a normal time frame of how long this should take you.
If I was quoting the job,
Yep.
I would allow myself. It's a bit different between a race car and a
Street car.
street car.
Yeah,
A street
well,
car,
just say-
there's a lot more.
Just say I rocked up off the street
Yeah.
and I'm like, I need M150. Actually, no. I rocked up off the street. I got an M150 Motec. I got an E888.
Yeah.
I got 2 PDMs.
Yeah.
And I have a C127 dash.
Yeah.
I need them all fitted because I don't know where to put them. And I need every single wire done with about 40 odd sensors.
It's a race car.
Yep.
I'd go 2.5 weeks
Yep.
making the loop, and then another week to fit it.
Far out.
So 3.5 weeks.
So 3.5
Which would be
weeks.
140 hours.
So 140 hours.
So the car's bare at the moment. So we're doing full body, engine, all in TEF cell, Raycam.
What is that? What does that mean? I hear TEF cell and Raycam. I don't know what the frick that means. Is that like the best stuff you can get, or?
Yeah, so it's like, they call it like military spec.
Oh, okay.
Spec, yeah.
So if you're getting shot at, you'll be all good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can shoot through the wiring harness.
Oh, yeah.
You want to explain what the process is?
Yes.
So day one, mounted the ECU, mounted the PDM, mounted the AAA.
Yep.
So we know where, obviously, how the loom's going to go.
Mm-hmm.
Mounted the rear PDM because it's getting 2 PDMs.
Yeah. And what's the purpose of having 2 PDMs over one? Because you can obviously get a PDM 30 or a 32.
Yeah. So
but we're going 2 14s.
The benefit would be simplifying the wiring.
Okay, so having less wires throughout the whole car.
Yeah, so instead of having all the stuff in the boot being wide all the way to the front PDM, or if you were to have one PDM, which would usually be at the front, things like fuel pump, the rear lights, all of that will get powered off of the rear PDM.
Ah.
Yeah. So they will just communicate via CAN, which simplifies the wiring a lot.
Yeah. How many wires are involved in CAN?
2 wires. But then obviously there'll be things that would need to go from front to back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Such as?
Your fuel level sender will need to go to the ECU.
Oh, it has to?
Well, it needs to come to the front, either the ECU or the dash. So I'd wire it to the ECU. Things like
I'm so excited to have a fuel level sensor. I've never had one.
things like our fuel pump controller.
Oh, I forgot about him.
So that needs a signal from the ECU, so that's going to be front to back.
Oh, I have to order one of them too.
Small stuff.
Yeah.
So there'll be like, I don't know, maybe 12 wires going front to back.
Yeah. Instead of, say, 30 or 40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And instead of like thick power wires, it just all be smaller signal wires.
So that's another benefit to this Tefcel stuff is the
Wire's actually a lot smaller, isn't it?
Insulation's thinner, I guess. The material of it's more heat resistant, abrasion resistant.
It's just all round better.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to show you guys. Pete got me a gift from Japan. We'll cut to that right now, real quick.
Look what he got me. A little Nismo. It looks like a battery, actually. It's a little case. And he knew how bad I needed one of these this year. So he got me one. What a good egg. Now I just need to put some water in there and it should grow overnight. Oh, actually it might take a week. So what is it now? So right now it's scale 1 of 62. So if I fill that up with water tonight, it should go to at least 150, 150th. And then within, I don't know, a week we should have a brand spanking new GDR here. Whew, can you imagine? Anyway, back to Peter. Look at this. What is this? Motorsport, what's this thing? Relay. Isolator, I knew that. What's this thing?
Oh, it's just the main fuses. So there'll be 2 fuses in here.
Oh, really?
Obviously you want to fuse the PDM, so
Yeah.
one will fuse the PDM.
Yeah.
There was a rear PDM, this will be in the boot.
Yeah.
And then the one coming off here will go to the front, and that'll be the main fuse for the front PDM and also the starter motor.
That's freaking cool, man. Far out. So where do these come from?
We get them from GR Motorsport.
Oh. What? I don't understand. Is that an isolator that I kill?
Yeah. So there'll be 2 switches. There'll be one for you, and there'll be one for outside the car.
Do you need my isolator? Because I have it.
I've used that one already.
Oh. I just bought a $70 one. Yeah. It's a real old clunky crapper one.
No, we're not using that, we're using this.
So what is this? Is that electronic?
Yeah.
Is it FIA approved?
I hope so. I've used it in every...
Wow. Are these expensive?
No, not really.
I've never seen one before, eh? What, so you hit a button and it kills the whole car?
So we can switch.
Switch.
So there'll be...
Oh, the same as Damon's?
Yeah, like Damon's.
Like a little rocket switch?
Yeah. So there'll be one outside the car somewhere, and there'll be one where you can reach it. And they'll work.
On my cool dash. You haven't seen it yet, have you? Oof.
How much was it?
Have a guess. Damon said I got it cheap, but he got his fitted. So he would have got reamed.
$6 grand?
Oh! No. God, you think I can afford that?
I don't know what that would be, bro.
No, it cost me 2.2.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. 2.2.
What Damon pay?
He didn't want to tell me.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't remember him telling me, but I can't remember.
But his is fitted. You look at his and it's like Mickey Mouse.
Oh,
It's the boss. Shh, shh.
Okay.
Righto. Doesn't look like I've done much, but I've done as far as I can. I'm just waiting on some -10 to 8 adapters and a couple other little things.
and then I need a little helper so I can do the firewall adapters up. So I'll wait till tomorrow, put the battery in.
It's a big, heavy freaking tool thing, but it'll do.
It'll do the job. And then yeah, I sorted out all the fittings to streamline everything once the engine arrives, which hopefully will be soon. But yeah, I'll just clean up now and get ready to be back here in a few hours, do it all over again. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna end it here, guys. We're just gonna keep going until the car is somewhat done. So it's not too much of a boring video, so bear with me.
The next day.
It's a new day, kids. And Lazzy Bear, look what he's cooked up.
I reckon they come out alright if I'm gonna be honest myself,
Oh yeah, oh, we don't have it before. Brother.
Surely got S15 brakes laying around somewhere.
Well, no, not as bad as what they looked.
Yeah, I know these were pretty bad, eh?
They were disgusting.
Not bad, eh?
Good work, brother.
Thanks, mate.
Knuckles.
Yep.
Hey. So another day done. Obviously working throughout the day, trying to get my hands on it as much as I possibly can in between the phone calls and the orders and whatever else happens. But yeah, it doesn't look like we've done anything. Laz hung back and helped paint a few things. Obviously, oh yeah, you guys have already shown you the calipers and the bash bars. I got these bash bars online. They're from an Aussie company, but God, they're junk. I was actually pretty pissed with the quality of them. They had dags where all the frickin' threads were and stuff, so you put a bolt in and it just wrecks it because there's a dag like behind the thread. So yeah, I had to spend a bit of time on them, die grinding all the dags out, and then re-tapping every single frickin' hole. Yeah, just time-consuming stuff that just is killing me at the moment. I've got some new hubs on, brand spanking new ones, and these GK Tech HFM rotors. I've got these adapters, which brings your caliper out. I couldn't get the Brembos, so just sticking with the standard S15 2 pots, which will be fine. And they, yeah, obviously have a big enough contact patch. Oh, I've got to fit a new tire in on the other side. I haven't got this all set up, so if anyone has a GK Tech kit and knows what to tell me is the freaking good Ackerman setting, there's only 2, so it's in or out. Let me know, that'd be cool. Hooked up all the steering sides, centered the rack, and started putting all the lines in. So all the lines are now in. All the boots pretty well done. I made a boo-boo with the frickin' big dash 16 line, so I gotta fix that up. I gotta put the frickin' plug in the dry sump tank, otherwise it's not gonna fill up with oil. And that's a catch can little drain. Look at that. It's definitely not done up tight yet. And then I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow or the next day, but I need to hack these guards out so I can fit the body kit. The big body kit coming. Coming? It's already here. Wow! Look at that. Anyway, I'm delusional. I need sleep. So I'm gonna boogie. We'll be back again tomorrow on this same video. Thanks for watching. Fucking scratching it. Whoa, it's another day. Okay, so today oh my God, I've just noticed that that's all smashed in. What the hell happened there? Oh, there's a drain there too. On your Phoenix. Right, I got another stack of parts in from Raceworks. Thank you, bloody legends. And all the lines are not run. I've got a few little mystery ones I need to figure out here. The main concerning ones are the big dash 16s, which I've got to try and get past The exhaust, so I got dummy engine back in there because the engine is not ready yet. Doesn't really matter at this point because I'm still fitting up sensors and everything. So I'll put the cooler back in, oil coolers, radiator. So I've got to do a few more lines on that stuff, just route it a bit better. A few little hiccups along the way, actually quite a few. Pretty much everything I'm putting back on, I'm readjusting, remaking, or just trying to make it easier to, you know, get things on and off. And swarf, oh my God, swarf everywhere. So making sure that's all out of everything is a tricky one. So yeah, everything's time consuming. And once again, I didn't film anything I did today or tonight because today was another insane day. We're still trying to make sure everyone else is happy before we work on our own stuff, obviously. The customers have been ringing flat out. It's been crazy. It's good, obviously. Lots of orders, lots of inquiries about everything we do here, which is what we want. So yeah, keep it coming, guys. And yeah, lots of sales, man. These X shifts are going out the door like crazy. And if you don't know what an X shift is, it's a sequential gearbox. So obviously these Yaris's, this thing, they're nuts. People are lapping them up. Like we can't even keep them on the freaking shelf. And the Evo ones, and dude wanted to slap one in his Pulsar, front wheel drive Pulsar, so we got to modify one. It's insane. Anyway, I'm calling it a night. It's past midnight now. Look at my clock, which I don't have. Watch. Yeah, I need a decent sleep, eh? I'd pull the thing down, but it's just a dummy engine, guys, so yeah. We're getting there. I'm not going to touch the rear suspension yet because I've got to, I think I've already said it, but I've got to frickin' hook those arches. Just get the old grinder out and go, and make an absolute mess inside of here, which it kind of already is. And then a little bit of painting to go, and a little bit of stuff. Anyway, I can see this happening. I can see it now. It's exciting. I'm so freaking pumped. And yeah, it might not all be, you know, tickety-boo and everything perfect how I want it, but as long as this engine rocks up, we're sweet. We are laughing. So we're going to cut to tomorrow, which will be another day of this same video. I hope you guys don't mind this, but we'll see. We'll see how we go tomorrow. It's not busy. I get the old time lapse out and just smash out a heap of work during the day while still working, you know what I mean? All right, see you guys tomorrow.